Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is going to be a little footrest made out of teak that goes in your shower. So how cool is that? So I don't shave my legs, but if I did, but I'm not the only person in this house. So let's see what this looks like, and we'll check it out. Sorry, as I open it up, hopefully you can see what it is. So this is the instructions here. So if you need it, pause it and zoom in. Pretty straightforward. Here is that. Oh, that looks actually pretty nice. So look at that. Nice wooden piece. It's very nice and heavy. It's solid. We have some screw hole plugs. So, and then we have some of our hardware. And our nice legs. These are solid legs. This is going to be really nice. Nice piece for a shower. Take them all out. Okay, and that should be everything. Yes, that is everything. So let's see if we can put this together while you watch. So we have this. So it looks like it gives us the directions as far as number to number. So let's put this up here on the counter. Get out my instructions and my screws. So let's see how we do this. So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4. Okay, let's see. I'm going to aim you guys down so you can see what I'm doing as I do it. Okay. Okay, so here we go. I got it kind of going here, and you can see this is what it looks like when it's done. I still have the stickers on it, but it's a really nice looking stool. It's shiny. It's got some good thing to it, and it looks like it tells you here you can level the legs by turning them. So if it's not flat, you can just rotate these legs, and they screw out, so you can put it level. So if you have a bit of a slant in your shower, you're golden, because you can just use this. So it's really cool and really nice. It's super solid. You can just jump on this thing and it's not going anywhere. So I'm going to say this is really awesome. Nice teak stool. And where's the box for it here? Doesn't say anything else, but I guess it's NNN by Noble Natural Furniture. So if you need anything besides even this stool, get everything from these guys, because man, this stuff is solid. Super awesome. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.